number 7, going into GOUNON. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong, whatever. They're on the full support modifier. And the Acura NSX 53 Evo number 30 is second. BALZAN and the Ferrari number 1. The American and the other red Acura NSX 83 Evo is fourth. Ryan Diallo with 63 is fifth. Max and I wrote the data point for the next time. So I know the family a little bit. And yeah, Connor's a great young driver. He did come to the pit and make some changes, and now he's has the highest top speed, and he's in sector 2 right now, so he's headed down the long back straightaway and down to turn 11 up the ladder.
To see if they're going to have...
He did win at Nürburgring.
Yeah.
In the 34 BMW, his Connor, he's the USA guy, so he's from Southern California. In the number 31 car, it's the Audi Sport King Hardpoint. The WRT car is Trevor Beck. Oh, I'm sorry, Jeff Westphal. Who said that they came off with this green flag. What they have to say?
I did, and you know, it's interesting to hear the history of some of the drivers. Now, when before we get a little more aggressive than they are in the long run, so